Welcome to the driver's seat. Today, as part of our Overland series, we're going to be talking about fire pits. And I purchased this van about a year ago, put about 20,000 miles on it. So plenty of use, a lot of overlanding, a lot of camping, even a cross-country trip in there. But one piece that's been missing is a fire pit. And the reason is we just didn't have room for it. I've been looking for a collapsible one, and I found it. This is a dream. So the company is called Renlicon. This sells for about $240, very comparable to the other stoves or fire pits that are out there. It comes in 5 pieces, no hardware required. Everything lines up with these holes, and it comes with 2 heavy-duty carabiners and a heavy-duty rope. So you carry like a briefcase. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of storage here in my Sprinter van. I got all my batteries and inverter back here, but I have room for this. I don't have room for a traditional fire pit, but I certainly have room for this. And I've been using it several times. Love it. It's easy to set up, easy to break down, easy to clean. And I just think they did a great job. Everything is laser cut, plenty of vents for smoke to go out, and can't say enough good things about it. So stick around for more on this Overland series. We'll review the van and some of the other accessories. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.